My name's Cody Erautt. I work with Vance Corporation, and I've been there for a year. I'm a foreman. We've used the FH-R Road Widener for a lot of 20-inch milling and paving. We started this trench paving by hand paving it, and then we were getting about 1,000 feet a day. And now with this Road Widener, we're getting 3,000, 3,500 feet in a 6-hour window. To go through an intersection and hand pave a trench, you're in there for half hour at least, but now with this Road Widener, we can wait for a light to cycle through, get a red light, we can pave it and get the roller on it, get it compacted and get traffic going by the next light cycle. Going down to 20 inches is a significant deal because it's hard to find things to try to pave that. It's hand paving or dragging half a screed and leaving black marks all over the asphalt that we're not touching. So being able to go down to 20 inches is great.